Hey there, Fragrance fam! Summer is in full swing and I'm in the mood for a tropical vacation, but I really don't want to break the bank. So why not make a mini getaway in one of these adorable 2-in-1 perfume bottles? So let's make an easy and affordable perfume using our version of Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian Crush fragrance. Before making a perfume, you'll want to figure out what concentration you'll be using. For a lighter scent, stick to a 5 to 15% fragrance rate and make an eau de toilette. And if you want to smell like you've been relaxing and soaking up some summer sun on the beach all day, make a true perfume using a 20 to 30% ratio like me. Because these little bottles can hold 10 milliliters of liquid, I'm going to fill them each with 7 milliliters of perfumer's alcohol and then 3 milliliters of fragrance oil. And speaking of bottles, aren't these just so neat? I love them. So one side has a spray, see? And the other side has a little roller ball to really easily apply on the go. So we're gonna go ahead and uncap these bottles by taking the spray nozzle off so we can fill them up easily. So let's go ahead and get our perfume mixed up. In my beaker, I've got some Perfumer's alcohol all measured out, and Perfumer's alcohol is also known as SDA 40B. So to that, we're gonna pour in our fragrance oil, and naturally I went with our version of Brazilian Crush by Sol de Janeiro. It literally smells so good, just like summertime. So go ahead and get a free sample of this fragrance and thousands more on our web store. So we're gonna go ahead and stir this into our Perfumer's alcohol and stir it until it's seamlessly blended to a liquid. Then we're gonna pop a funnel in each one of these bottles and get it all filled up. These are ridiculously simple to make, but they're a great little product to add to your line if you want to expand your customer base. You can easily switch up what fragrance you use to make a whole collection of summer scents, or any other season for that matter. So what do you guys think of these 2-in-1 perfumes? If you want to make your own alcohol-free version of these, check out all of the body oil tutorials we have in the how-to playlist on our channel. So let me know if you guys enjoyed following along with me in the AFI Project Lab today by commenting down below and leaving a like on this video. Also, don't forget to snag one of our weekly 10% off coupons by subscribing to our newsletter. It's pretty great, if you ask me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one real soon. This is just a bye for now. Bye!